Welcome to my channel. This video is for a mannequin torso assembly and review. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and don't forget to tap that bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams. Here's what it looked like out of the box. That was in a package, so I took that out and just showing you both ends where you screw stuff in. Here's the instructions. Very simple. Here is the top part, and that's the first thing you screw on the top. It doesn't tighten up all the way, so it's a little bit loose, but that's okay. These are the legs, so they're all wrapped up and they come in an individual box. There's 3 of those. Everything was in perfect condition, nothing was damaged. Here's the little part that goes on the bottom where the legs, they just slide in. It was super simple to attach those. So you just gotta hold it and slide those in, and then that screws into this pole, the big part there, and you have to tighten it at the very bottom. There's a piece there that tightens, and then it's hollow on the top, and that just fits in there right there, but there's a screw that goes in the side there, and that's how you tighten it, so you can adjust the height. And I didn't even realize you could do that until I started attaching it. It took me all of 5 minutes to put this together, so that's wonderful. It's going to work great for my homecoming mums. I can't wait to hang some on there and take pictures of them. Here's a few pictures from the Amazon page. This is where we got it, and I will put an affiliate link in the description. Thanks everyone for watching, and if you're considering buying one of these, I hope you will. I love it. Again, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams. Comment, share, like, and please be kind with your comments, and please be kind to others. Have a great day.